Average profit method, as the name suggests, in this method goodwill is calculated on the basis of average profits of last few years. So there are certain steps to be followed. Let us take down those steps first. The first step is calculate total profits, and that is total profits for the number of years that are given to us in the question. Once we have calculated total profits, we will calculate average profits, which would be equal to total profits divided by number of years. Now students, once we have average profits with us, we can then calculate the value of goodwill, which will be equal to average profits into years of purchase. Remember, years of purchase are given in the question directly. You are not required to calculate them. So use the years of purchase that are given in the question, multiplied by average profits. You will get the value of goodwill as per average profits method. Let us take a few examples to understand this. The goodwill of a firm is to be valued on the basis of 3 years purchase of the average profits of last 4 years, which are 25,000 profit, 85,000 profit, but 10,000 it is clearly mentioned it is a loss, and 1 lakh profit for the last year. Now students, in this case it is valued on 3 years purchase. So years of purchase are 3 and the average profits are for 4 years. So calculate goodwill on average profit method. This is by average profit method. So now coming to the solution part, the first step is total profits. The total profits of last 4 years would be 25,000 plus 85,000 minus 10,000, because this 10,000 is a loss, plus 1 lakh. That gives us a total of 110 minus 10, 2 lakh rupees. Then we will have average profits. Average profits are equal to 2 lakh divided by number of years. They were 1, 2, 3 and 4 years. So average profit comes to rupees 50,000. So now students, goodwill would be equal to average profits, which is 50,000 into years of purchase. And in this question, the years of purchase are given to be 3. So 50,000 into 3 gives us a total goodwill of rupees 1,50,000. So that means the value of the goodwill of the firm is 1,50,000. Let us understand this process again. First of all, we calculated total profits for the years, that is 4 years that are given. So while calculating this, in case there is any loss, that should be subtracted. So the total profits come to rupees 2 lakh. Then we proceed to calculate average profits. Average profits would be 2 lakh divided by number of years, which are 4. That gives us 50,000 as the result. The last step, we will calculate goodwill. Goodwill would be average profits into years of purchase, which are 3. So multiplying it, we get a value of goodwill as 1,50,000.